Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I will be telling you about das Thema Freundschaft. If you are an advanced learner or if you have already done B1 level, so this is going to be very informative Thema for you. So I have written few sentences in German as you can see. Das Thema heißt Freundschaft and I'll explain you in German with the help of these sentences. If you are writing a text or an email or a blog, so this is going to be very helpful. You can use these structures and you can understand das Thema very well. So let's start with the topic. Nummer 1. Beim Geld hört die Freundschaft auf. Beim Geld hört die Freundschaft auf. Here the separable verb is aufhören. You can see here, aufhören is a separable verb. That means stops. Means with money, stop the friendship. Friendship is no more. It means that when you give somebody money and you return back, when you ask them to return the money, then you lose the context. There is some kind of fear that you will lose the context. You are not in such a good context that you had earlier. So money creates a problem most of the time. We have also heard that don't give so much money to your relatives, to your friends, because when you ask them to give the money back, then maybe your contacts are not so much good. I don't know why we give more importance to the money nowadays. Okay, so das ist eigentlich, das bedeutet, beim Geld hört die Freundschaft auf. Das heißt, es gibt keine Freundschaft. Ich gebe euch Geld, 2000 Rupien. Und dann ich frage euch, bitte geben Sie mir das Geld zurück. Please return me the money. Und Sie denken, okay, ich gebe euch vielleicht nächste Woche oder nächsten Monat. Ich habe jetzt kein Geld. I don't have money now. I'll return next week. So somehow it creates a problem. It breaks the friendship. It breaks the friendship. Aufhören. Die Freundschaft aufhören. It's a very good verb-noun combination. Eine Freundschaft aufhören. To break up the friendship. Nummer 2. Richtige gute Freunde hat man nur 2 oder 3. Ich bin damit völlig einverstanden. I completely agree with this. Richtige Freunde hat man nur 2 oder 3. Das heißt, wir haben nicht viele Freunde, aber die richtigen Freunde haben wir nur 2 oder 3. Real friends are hardly 2 or 3. Although you have so many friends, you have a very big contact circle, friend circle. But if I ask you how many friends you have, real friends, so you may think about and you will say maybe 1 or 2. Not all friends are real. Not all friends are correct. Richtige gute Freunde. Good friends are very rare. So gute Freunde hat man nur 2 oder 3. Ich stimme damit zu. Was denken Sie darüber? Sie können in die Kommentare schreiben. Was denken Sie über diese Aussage? About this statement. What do you think about this statement? Was denken Sie über diese Aussage? Statement. Denken Sie auch so? Oder sind Sie der anderen Meinung? Are you also thinking about the same or you have some other opinion? Next, Nummer 3. Gute Freunde erkennt man nur in schwierigen Zeiten. Erkennt means recognize. That means good friends recognize man only in difficult times. Schwierigen Zeiten. When you have difficult time, when you have a difficulty, when you are in a problem, only then you identify who is a good friend. You are in a problem, trouble. You call up your friends. He is not picking up the call. Or he may give excuse. I am not in the town. I am out of city. Sorry, I can't help you. So this is the time when you recognize, erkennt, your true friends. Who is your real friends? It's very practical. It can be happen to anyone. So that is very true. Ich stimme damit zu. Okay? Or ich bin damit einverstanden. I agree with this. Ich bin dafür. I am in favor of this statement. Gute Freunde erkennt man nur in schwierigen Zeiten. Was denken Sie? Stimmt das oder nicht? What's your opinion? Is it true or not? Write in the comment. Next, das Internet ist super, neue Freunde zu finden. It's su plus infinitive structure. You can see and su. It's su plus infinitive. Zu means in order to. So here it means internet is super, very good, in order to find the friends, new friends. So what do you think? Internet is the good medium to find new friends online? Is it safe? We have heard a lot about the cyber crime, cyber security. So what do you think about this? Is it true? Is it the right medium to find new friends? Internet is good for that purpose? What do you think? Was denken Sie? Stimmt das? Sind Sie dafür oder dagegen? Do you agree with this or disagree? Was ist Ihre Meinung? What's your opinion? Ich bin dagegen. I am against this. I don't agree with this. Ich finde Internet gut, aber nicht, neue Freunde zu finden. Es gibt keine Sicherheit. There is no security. Es gibt Sicherheitsproblem. There is security problem. Cybersicherheit, cyber security. Cyberkriminalität, Cybercrime. Ist zu viel. Wir sehen im Fernsehen. Okay, wir sehen die Nachrichten. Jeden Tag gibt es Cyberkriminalität in der Welt. So, das ist ein großes Problem. So, therefore, I am against this opinion. I don't agree. What do you think? You can write all these things in the comment. I will definitely read out your comments and reply you. So, that's all for this video. Keep watching German class. See you next time with the new video.